Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news there are advantages for being far away from Europe. But first, in the US, manufacturing expanded faster than expected in February, a sign that industry there overcame bad weather across much of the country. Similar measures in the Eurozone were slightly lower on a weaker German result, although the trend is higher. France is closer to ending its 5-month contraction, but not quite there yet. In China, their factory contraction grew. This China PMI is of smaller enterprises. The official PMI released yesterday was also lower, but still expanding, and is for large enterprises. Worldwide, factory expansion accelerated, hitting a 34-month high, although that growth is largely on the back of the strong US data. In Europe, the Ukraine effect is having significant market consequences. The Russian ruble has taken a very sharp fall, and the Russian central bank has raised its benchmark interest rates by 150 basis points to try and stem the falls. The Russian PMIs are trending down, and they're trending down badly. European CDS spreads have jumped sharply overnight. In Germany, gas prices have surged, and some firms there are planning to go off-grid, a move that is worrying authorities. Back in the US, car sales there were higher in February. Retail sales, based on personal consumption spending in January, were up more than expected as incomes grew, reversing the late 2013 trend. However, that spending was more on services than physical goods. In Australia, some of their biggest resource companies could lose a major investor if Norway proceeds with a plan to ban its vast oil-fuelled sovereign wealth fund from investing in coal, gas and, ironically, oil. The political turmoil has seen equity markets fall in New York. US Treasury benchmark 10-year bonds rates fell too and are now at 2.62%. And oil and gold prices rose sharply. Gold has jumped $30 an ounce and oil is up almost $2 a barrel. Through all this, the New Zealand currency has fared very well, avoiding any sharp changes. We start today at 83.7 US cents, 93.7 Aussie cents, and the TWI is virtually unchanged at 78.6. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.